like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Toyota Rav4 XLE Hybrid. Right now we're looking at the engine compartment. Everything looks like it's intact. No damage. Radiator, everything looks like it's intact. The engine does run. The unit does lot drive. This vehicle sustained some body damage. We'll go over that in a minute. The engine compartment is clean. No damage to the motor. Again, it runs and lot drives. Damage. Got a little damage to the front bumper cover there. Looks repairable. So far so good. I think the damage is isolated to the left side of the vehicle. XLE Hybrid. I believe it's an all-wheel drive as well. So the vehicle looks like it laid on its left side. You have some damage to the quarter panel here. Some damage to the left rear door. Take a look inside. You have a curtain airbag that's deployed over here. Curtain airbag deployed on the other side as well, which usually happens when a vehicle lays on its side. Interior is pretty clean. You have damage to the left front door here. Left front door mirror. Forward airbags are intact. So you only have 2 airbags deployed. The seat airbags are good. A little damage on the side of the roof here. The actual roof itself looks good. I don't see any other signs of damage. Quarter, rear door, front door, left fender. Pretty nice vehicle, easy fix. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.